Wow, it's cold. Got a late start. I didn't leave my house till like 7:45 this morning. When I left in town, it was 46 degrees. I come out here about 20 miles away into the mountains, 19 degrees. A lot colder. Oh my goodness. I don't mind getting a late start though. In the wintertime, this lake that I'm at, if you come too early, you're not gonna get good light anyways. I mean, the only reason to come early would be to set up, which would have been nice. Get distracted, there's a lot of birds. So, looking for my Nemesis bird today, again. This is round 2 or 3, I don't know. I went up to Bosque del Apache a few weeks ago, mostly for the cranes and the snow geese, but I knew there would be Mergansers up there, so I went there looking for them too. I got one shot of one. Wasn't that great, but it was alright. So I'm back at my favorite and only lake anywhere near my house, up in the mountains. And I know there are hooded Mergansers here because they're always here in the wintertime. The reason why they're my Nemesis bird though, I guess, is just because I've never really, well, half this lake is frozen right now. I've never really gotten too good of a shot. I've gotten a couple of okay shots, but not the shot that I'm looking for. Low bridge. So I'm gonna keep trying until I get it. And hopefully, bringing you guys with me today, we will. Got the RF 800 on my R5. I don't need anything else because I'm not going to be getting too close to things, and there's a lot of sunlight, not a cloud in the sky. Sun's over the mountains. Whoa, low bridge again. Alright, we're coming up on, uh-oh, I think I see, there's a pipe-bill grebe. Not what I'm looking for. I also heard that there are some western and possibly Clark's grebes here. I would really love to get some of those. I haven't gotten them in a long time. Okay, let's go see if we can sneak up on some duckies. Alright, so we're in the right spot. We got 2 female Mergansers, pied-bill grebe, and a bufflehead. So I'm gonna get set up and see if I can catch them while they're doing their circles around here. Okay, time to get very uncomfortable, very cold. And now we're just gonna wait for a little bit. And hopefully they'll swim by again. There's actually quite a few canvasbacks. There's a couple of redheads. A lot of coots. A lot of ruddy ducks. Ruddy ducks are really cool when they're in their breeding plumage. But if they're not in their breeding plumage, they're just kind of meh. They're still fun to watch though, just their regular activity. I just laid there for about an hour. Started to get some pretty good stuff. I definitely got some good footage. Started to see some action, but then I realized the action was because, oh, bridge again, because there was a family with kids and a dog walking by, which is pretty random on a Monday morning when it's 19 degrees outside. But it is what it is. Everybody deserves to enjoy the outdoors, so I certainly am not going to get upset. I come here a lot anyways. But I got my hooded mergansers. I got some common mergansers, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen them here before, although I know they do come here. There's some bald eagles here, but I haven't been able to get any shots. I think I'm probably gonna wrap it up here pretty soon. All the birds have been pretty spooked. My arms are tired from holding my camera. The vlogging camera is heavier than this. This 800 is fantastic for lightweight stuff, and in this light, oh my god, I'm getting some great stuff. I can see they're all, it's way blown out, you can't see. There's a lake back there and they're all in the middle of it. Saw a great blue heron in a tree. Wasn't very exciting, but he didn't do anything. He's just sitting there. That's a pretty chill morning other than that. I didn't see my western or Clark's grebes at all, which was a bummer. I'm gonna see, now that I'm out here in the open, I'm gonna see if they're out here anywhere. But I don't see any, I don't hear any. I was glad to see the hooded mergansers though. Those are my Nemesis birds for sure, and I got some better shots this time. No hood up and no action shots, but I did get a couple of the males swam pretty close and had some decent light, so every time is a step forward to getting the better shot. Whoa, what is that? Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, there's probably like over 100 mergansers here. And that really surprised me. I know they come here a lot, but I've never seen that many here. Big old flock. Herd? It looked more like a herd. But those are the common mergansers. There's a lot of them. There's still only, I think I saw 2 male and 2 female hooded mergansers. Sorry, all the common mergansers are like taking off right now. I just missed a really good action shot potential, but they're taking off in the wrong direction. Oh, now they're taking off in the right direction. Oh well. Alright, it's tea time. It's second breakfast time. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I got some cool stuff I'm happy with. Not the best stuff in the world still, but I just love coming out here anyway, so I'll keep bringing you guys along periodically throughout the rest of the winter, and hopefully I'll get some better stuff every time. That's what it's all about though. This stuff takes, especially wildlife, it just, even though you know where they are, and it still takes a lot of time, a lot of patience. 2 things I have plenty of right now, so. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage and hopefully the images, and there goes the freaking bald eagle. Yep, alright, I gotta put you down. He's coming right over my head. He just landed. He just landed in that tree right there above me. Wow. That could be what freaked those mergansers out. He is right above me. I'm gonna see if I can get him. Did you hear that? He's right there. Alright, well, I didn't get the eagle. He flew off into the trees away from the lake, which is kind of weird. And then a boat came, a fisher boat, scared the crap out of all the other birds. Oh, there it is right there behind me. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's definitely second breakfast time. All I had this morning was a Pop-Tart. Time to go make some hot tea in the jet boil. Drive home. Definitely gonna come back now that I know the eagles are here. I've seen them here in the winter. They come here in the winter, but now that I for sure know, I'll come back and see if I can get them. Low bridge. Well, I do have this. While this wasn't the most interesting video I've ever done, especially wildlife, but I do have a lot of other wildlife videos. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more, you can check out my wildlife playlist. I've got vlogs like this with really cool stuff. The last one I did at Bosque del Apache was some of the best wildlife footage I've ever filmed, so that was amazing. I've got reviews on things like this, the RF800 and the R5 and the R6, and a bunch of other cameras and lens reviews, wildlife videos, just all kinds of different wildlife videos in general. So if you like that kind of stuff, it's probably something for everybody on my channel. But I'm gonna wrap it up here, so subscribe if you haven't already, because I do have new videos every week, and I'll definitely be out here again, hopefully pretty soon. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps me out, and I super appreciate it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.